First, I cut the stem of the tree by using scissors. Next, I place the stem and leaves on the newspaper. Then I make sure that the leaf is spread widely. And then I cover it with newspaper again on top. After that, I press the leaf with heavy objects such as biology book. After that, I leave it around 3 to 4 weeks so that it will dry. After 3 to 4 weeks, this is how it looks like after it dried up. And then I paste it on the drawing block. There you go, done.
Step 1. Collecting. The material needed are cutter and gloves. Cut the stem of the plant using the cutter. Step 2. Pressing. The materials are cardboards, hardcover books, belt and strap, paper towel and newspaper. Fan the leaves so that the plant lies flat on the newspaper. Make sure the flowers are visible. Pressure and heat is applied to dry out quickly and flat. Lay down the straps. Tighten the straps. Add books in between to increase the tension. Apply heat to the specimen as they work as vents and allow water to leave the plant as vapor. Step 3 is mounting. Material needs are label, water-soluble glue, damp paper towel and drawing brush. Apply glue on the plant using brush. Stick the specimen on A3 drawing paper and label the specimen and stick it on the bottom right corner of the A3 paper, and that's the end.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, I am Afaf and now I will show you how to make herbarium plant, and for today I will choose white jasmine. Firstly, we have to choose our own herbarium plant and then cut the plant in any part that you want. Secondly is the pressing part. Put the plant in the middle of the layer like tissue or newspaper. Then press the plant using a heavy object. This is how it looks like when the plant is completely dry after a few weeks.
My flower is hibiscus, and these are materials and equipment: boards, books, scissors, tape and flower. And these are procedures. First, we will cut out the unwanted parts of the flower, such as leaf and something that bother the flower. And step 2, we put it in the books to press it down. I'm sorry I didn't record the part where I take the flower because my mom took it from her workplace. So we self-tape it into the book and we close the book. And the step 3 is we will tape around around the book in order to increase the pressure and make sure the flower inside the book are not moving. And last but not least, I will put the book under the bed to increase more pressure into the my herbarium. So this is my result.
Turmeric plant. Firstly, cut the turmeric leaves at the stems using a pair of scissors. Here are the needed apparatus. For pressing, firstly position the leaves into the newspaper. Next, put a piece of cardboard and a paper towel on top of the hard surface. Place the newspaper on top, add one more paper towel and the cardboard. Then place a heavy object such as a photo album on top of it all and tie it up tightly. Let it sit 2 weeks to dry and it's all done. For the sticking process, this is the apparatus that you'll need. Firstly, take out the dried specimen. apply glue on the back of the leaf. And lastly, stick it onto the drawing block. Press down to make sure that it sticks firmly. And we're done.
Next is daun kesum or Vietnamese coriander. Firstly, we plug the plant that we wanted to use in this herbarium project. These are the plants that were plugged earlier. Then we will continue with the pressing process. So, here comes the last process. Last but not least, we should put some glue on each leaf and paste on the A3 drawing block as stated in the instruction. And done.
Firstly, cut the fresh shoot from the plant. Next, we proceed with the pressing process. Mount the plant on the visible side. Then put it into a newspaper and a sketchbook. Sit with a heavy book. And out and paste it on an A3 paper. Lastly, label information about the plant. It should include family, genus and species of the plant. Don't forget about the date and the place.
Brazilian spinach. Firstly, pick a fresh and healthy Brazilian spinach and then trim the leaf and fan the leaf out so the plant lies flat. And then place the plant on newspaper and then add a pressure on the plant so the pressure and heat allow the plant to dry out quickly and flat. You can add heavy object to increase the pressure and then tie up all the books so the plant will not move and the drying process happen quickly. Step 5. Leave the plant for 2 or 3 weeks until the plant dry out and then glue it on the drawing block. And then we're done.
The materials needed is a cutter. The specimen is detected. Cut the curry leaf plant at the stem. For step 2, pressing. The materials needed for pressing: heavy books, cardboard, newspapers, specimen A3 paper and a belt. These are the specimens and the items needed. Plant is placed between the newspapers. Cardboard is placed on the plant inside the newspaper. It is pressed tightly. Weighted books are placed on the cardboard and is held tightly with a belt. This is the result once the plant is dried. The materials needed for pasting it: drawing paper, brush, scissors, glue. This is the final result.
Asian pigeon wings, mostly known as bunga telang, which is used for rice coloring. Firstly, we pluck the flower using scissors and then put the leaf in the plastic bag to prevent the leaf from withering. Don't forget to write the name and date. Next, continue to the pressing step, where at first we arrange the leaf properly and press the leaf tightly to get better result. Alright, this is the result after 3 weeks in press step. Okay, now using the white glue to attach the leaf to the paper. Okay, last but not least, we put the leaf to the plastic to keep it safe.